Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, friends, sisters and brothers. We are going to know about Prophet Yaqub. So Prophet Yaqub, called Jacob in English, was a son of Prophet Ishaq, and Prophet Yaqub is also known as Israel. Here we will know about him, his brother, his wives and his 12 sons. The Prophet Ishaq and his wife Rifka had two twin sons named Esau, also known as Esau, in Hebron. And Prophet Yaqub was more beloved son of his father than Esau. For that reason, Esau envied his brother a lot. His envy feeling grew more over time and returned harmful. When Allah Almighty selected Yaqub as a prophet, Yousef turned so inert that he threatened his brother to kill him. So Yaqub decided to flee and then discovered a spot to relax and positioned a stone beneath his head. He dreamed about the staircase that was going from the earth to heaven, with angels coming down to tell him about his future. Generation would be from this land. He became happy when he woke up. He promised to Allah Almighty that if he returned to his household, he would develop a mosque and donate a portion of his property earlier than leaving the place, which was Jerusalem, Baitul Maqaddas. He posited some oil on the stone in order that he might recognize it later. So friends, he then married two sisters named Leah and Raheel. They were daughters of his uncle Laban. Prophet Yaqub had two sons along with his youngest spouse Raheel. His son named was Yousef, is calling also in Bible Joseph, and Benyamin. After the beginning of the later, that second spouse died and the first one was pregnant. His uncle Laban also gave two slaves to his wives. To Leah he gave Zilpah, and Raheel he gave Bilhah. Prophet Yaqub had 6 sons and 1 daughter from Leah. Number 1, Reuben, Shamun, Levi, Yehuda, Issachar, Zabulun, and girl named Dinah. So 2 sons from Bilhah, Dan, Nephtali. Sons from Zilpah, Jad, Asher, and 2 sons from Raheel, Yousef, Benyamin. These 12 sons are the 12 tribes of Bani Israel. Allah Almighty inspired Prophet Yaqub to return to his father and his people. When he went, the angels greeted him near his house and announced that he can be called Israel. When Yaqub requested his brother to befriend him, the latter refused, and instead he hired men to chase him. Yaqub requested Allah Almighty stop his brother's bad deeds. So friends, he then sent a present consisting of many animals, which includes 30 female camels, 200 goats, 200 ewes, 20 sheep, 20 rams, and 40 cows, 10 bulls, 20 female donkeys, and 10 male donkeys for his brother. Esau was impressed and humbled himself to make peace with Prophet Yaqub. Both brothers and united again, they both went to their father place, which might be the place Prophet Ibrahim used to live. At the age of 180 years, their father Prophet Ishaq passed away of sickness and was buried close to their grandfather. Prophet Ibrahim, then Prophet Yaqub, fulfilled his promise and built a mosque in Jerusalem, the place he presented oil on the stone, which later was expanded by Prophet Suleiman. Prophet Yaqub and 12 sons. In total of one of the sons was Prophet Yousef, who requested the entire household to move to Egypt. Prophet Yaqub lived there for 17 years and passed away at the age of 147. He was buried in Hebron, Palestine, along with his father according to his final wishes. The tomb of Prophet Yaqub is located in the Ibrahimi Mosque, also known as the Cave of Acestors. In the mosque there are also the tombs of Prophet Ibrahim, his son Prophet Ishaq, his son Prophet Yaqub, and his son Prophet Yousef. So friends, this was Prophet Yaqub. Allah Hafiz.